If it is clear that the other driver was at fault, do you still need to hire a personal injury attorney for a car collision case? Yes, even if the other driver is clearly at fault, it is highly recommended to hire a personal injury attorney to navigate your car collision case. A skilled personal injury attorney is aware of specific factors that could impact your recovery, factors you might not know about. You are entitled not only to have your medical bills covered, but also to receive compensation for non-economic or human damages for all you've endured throughout your treatment and recovery. With the support of an attorney specializing in auto accident law cases, you can have peace of mind, assured that your case is in good hands and that the legal process will be made easier for you. For more information and to ensure your rights are protected, connect with M.R. Hale Law. Visit us at www.mrhale.law.